All right, so cracking knuckles, let's debunk it. Is it good for you? Is it bad for you? Let's talk about it. Real simple thing, cracking your knuckles, everyone thinks it's a bad thing. It's honestly just an old wives' tale. You're not gonna hurt yourself like that. If you're one of those people that's like cracking like this nonstop all day, you know, is it great for you? Definitely not. But if you just kind of go like this every so often throughout the day, just to get a relief, that's completely fine. You're not gonna hurt yourself. It's not one of those things like I always advise when people try to crack their necks, that's terrible for you. That you're gonna overstretch the ligaments, kind of compress the nerves, you can hurt your arteries, anything like that. But honestly, cracking your knuckles, I do it all the time. It's really not the end of the world. You're not gonna bother yourself like that. Don't kind of just bend back and twist them and all that stuff. But if you kind of just hit them together a couple times, get a little cracks on, that's fine. Don't go crazy. Everyone says it's gonna hurt you. It's fine. It's really okay. And it's not something I'd worry about.